My name is Megan Orton, and I am a Gavalas-Kolanko scholarship recipient. I'm asking you to support the Gavalas-Kolanko Foundation's major fundraiser, the James Island Connector Run, being held Saturday, November 5th. The James Island Connector Run helps fund the foundation and its mission of awarding college scholarships to students with physical disabilities. The foundation's financial support and never-ending encouragement has allowed me to excel both in and out of the classroom. I'll be graduating in December from the Honors College with a degree in psychology. Since 1999, the foundation has awarded 52 scholarships, 50 of those scholarships to the College of Charleston for students like me. Please help give other CFC students with physical disabilities the opportunities that have been given to me. Through your participation, donations, or sponsorships towards the James Island Connector Run, you can help support the Foundation's mission. Visit jicrun.com for more information.